We live in a hugely complex world and we're faced with a whole host of different problems. We need critical thinkers and problem solvers to address them, and that's where scientists come in.
Studying a Bachelor of Science gives you the skills and the knowledge to understand everyday processes, the environment and how things work.
The Bachelor of Science prepares students for the real world by teaching them how to evaluate and generate new knowledge and how to tell facts from fiction.
It sets the scene for being highly employable across multiple career paths. It's the start of a journey.